Aryna Sabalenka's comeback in Berlin wasn't just a display of physical resilience, it was a masterclass in what sports psychologists call emotional regulation under pressure. When everything starts falling apart mid-match, the brain enters a threat state, flooding the body with cortisol and narrowing cognitive focus to the point where even basic technical execution breaks down. What separates elite athletes from the rest isn't the absence of that spiral, it's the speed at which they interrupt it. Sabalenka has spoken openly about her battles with mental chaos on court, and what Berlin revealed was a player who has learned to use a set of internal reset mechanisms, controlled breathing patterns, deliberate physical routines between points, and a ruthless narrowing of attention to the very next ball, to manually override the panic signal her nervous system was sending. What neuroscience tells us is that these aren't just feel-good coping strategies, they are literal neurological interventions. When an athlete slows their breath to a deliberate rhythm, they activate the parasympathetic nervous system, pulling the body out of fight or flight and restoring the prefrontal cortex's ability to make clear decisions. Elite performers train this response the same way they train a backhand, repeatedly, under simulated stress, until it becomes automatic. Sabalenka's ability to not just survive a match she was losing but actually elevate her level suggests she has internalized this rewiring process deeply enough that adversity itself becomes a trigger not for collapse, but for recalibration. That is the hidden edge, not talent, not even experience, but a trained nervous system that knows how to find clarity exactly when everything feels most broken.